Welcome back to the Four Wheels Empire. Today's video we're going to cover one of the most common warning lights in Volkswagens. The dreaded coolant light coming on in your VW. Fear not. Knowing the possible causes can save you money and headaches down the road. The coolant warning light illuminating in the instrument cluster means your Volkswagen has detected a low fluid level or related issue in the engine cooling system. Think of it as your VW screaming, "My coolant is low," or "There's something else wrong with the cooling system." Check it out. Basically, your VW is trying to prevent itself from the catastrophic overheating issues that come with an empty cooling system. The top 5 most common reasons for the coolant light activation in VWs are: Number 1. Actual low fluid level. Pop the hood and first check the see-through plastic coolant reservoir mounted on the passenger side. The level should fall between the minimum and maximum lines when the engine is cold. Top it off with a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water if needed. Still good? The sensor may be inaccurate or you may have a leak, so keep investigating. Number 2. Coolant leak. If the reservoir requires regular topping off, that fluid has to be going somewhere. The telltale sign of a leak. Inspect all radiator and heater hoses carefully for wet spots and cracks. Also, check for leaks at the water pump and any seal surfaces. Catch leaks early before major damage occurs. Ignoring leaks leads to overheating and $2,500 repair bills down the road. Nobody wants that. Number 3. Faulty coolant sensor. Most VWs have a coolant level sensor at the bottom of the coolant tank that activates the light when fluid drops too low. If the tank level seems to be at the proper level, a bad sensor may be to blame since it is sending off inaccurate readings to your PCM. New sensors cost around $20 to $50 and are an easy replacement. Number 4. Stuck closed. Thermostat. This small valve opens at engine operating temperature to allow coolant flow into the radiator. A stuck closed thermo prevents circulation, causing rapid overheating. Number 5. Trapped air pockets in the cooling system. Less common, but bubbles can occasionally get trapped inside the cooling system after repairs, flushes, etc., preventing full circulation and mimic low fluid. Generally requires professional vacuum fill equipment to fully purge the air pockets and restore proper function if present. There you have the top 5 most common reasons for the Volkswagen coolant warning activation. Low level, leaks, sensor issues, thermostat failure, or trapped air. Before shelling out for a costly repair or accepting an old car trade-in offer, investigate these simple and affordable fixes first. They can keep you and your VW happily rolling down the highways for years and thousands of miles to come. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more car care tips. Have you had coolant issues with you?